Alright, this is the functional programming element of the semester project portfolio, the status of which is completely finished. So the goal here was to demonstrate the usage of the reduce, map, and filter functions in Python. And let's just take a look at what that looks like here. We'll enter a number, 10. As you can see, it returns an array of those numbers from 0 to 9, and it also returns the factors of those numbers and then the sum of those factors, as you can see, with 10, 5, 2, and 1. That all adds up to 18. So walking through the code here, we did have to import the reduce function, but to start off here, we go ahead and grab the user input, and then we have to convert that from a string to an integer, because it will accept it as a string. So we can convert that right there. Then this is the array that we have. That's it's an array of numbers between 0 and n-1. So that would be, if the number is 10, that'd be 0 through 9. There we use the range function for that. Over here we have our map function. We need the map function to iterate over the array of elements so that we can manipulate it. Here we're using filter to get just the factors of the number that are going to be in here. So as you can see, we have 10 through 1, but it only returned the factors 10, 5, 2, and 1. That's that, and of course it's going to print at every step of the way there. But then we have the reduce lastly to add all of the numbers that are the factors there, which should print out to be 18.